Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. India on Monday climbed to the third spot on the list of the worst contagion-hit countries after the country's confirmed cases surging past 6.9 lakhs, surpassing Russian Federation. Russia's daily at present stands at 6,81,251 after recording a sharp spike of 24,248 fresh infections in the past 24 hours. The country's tally has now reached closer to 7 lakh, with the figure now standing at 6,97,413 according to the Union Health Ministry update. Contagion fatalities across the nation have now mounted to 19,693 after 425 more lives were claimed by the lethal virus in the past one day. However, on the brighter side, with the improving recovery rate, the number of cured and discharged cases have now reached to 4,24,432, and at present the figure is 1,71,145 more than the cases presently under active medical supervision across the country, which are 2,53,287. According to the government data, 15,349 patients were cured discharged since Sunday. Meanwhile, as per the Indian Council of Medical Research, total number of samples tested for COVID till Sunday stands at 99,69,662. In the first signs of tension easing, the Chinese military on Monday began a limited pullback from the number of friction points in eastern Ladakh, a day after NSA Ajit Doval and Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi agreed on completing the ongoing disengagement process along the LAC expeditiously, government sources and officials said. Doval and Wang, who are designated special representatives on Sino-India boundary question, held a telephonic conversation on Sunday during which they had a frank and in-depth exchange of views and agreed that a complete disengagement of troops at the earliest was necessary for full restoration of peace in the border area, the Ministry of External Affairs said on Monday. Government sources said Chinese troops removed trends and are pulling back by up to 1.5 km from the area around patrolling point 14 in the Galwan Valley, besides starting rearward movement of vehicles and troops in Hot Springs and Gogra. There were reports that Chinese troops have also removed some tents from the area around Figure 4 in Pongso Tasso. However, the sources said a clear picture will emerge only after thorough verification is carried out. Sources said the disengagement is taking place as per a decision arrived at during the military talks on June 30 that both sides will create a minimum buffer zone of 3 km in the area around Galwan River, and Indian troops are also moving accordingly. Delhi University informed the Delhi High Court on Monday that open book examination for undergraduate courses will commence from July 10, and those students who are unable to take them, be it persons with disability or others, will be allowed to appear for the exam physically in September. The varsity said this would be irrespective of whether students have filled up application online or not, and also in cases where they download the question paper for OBE but fail to upload their answer sheets. A bench of Justices Hema Kohli and Subramoniam Prasad, which was conducting the hearing through video conferencing, directed the university to file an affidavit clarifying its stand and listed for July 9 a plea challenging the conduct of online exam. For purposes of clarity and to avoid any ambiguity, it is deemed appropriate to direct the Delhi University to file an affidavit clarifying its stand as recorded above and on any other aspect stated before us so that appropriate orders can be passed on the next day, the bench said. The Central Board of Direct Taxes on Monday extended the deadline for linking PAN card to Aadhaar card by March 31st next year, keeping in mind the situation arising out of the global pandemic of novel coronavirus. The Income Tax Department gave this information on Monday. According to the department, PAN card can now be linked to the Aadhaar card by March 31st, 2021. Understanding and keeping in mind the times that we are in, we have extended deadlines. PAN Aadhaar linking can be done till March 31st, 2021. We do hope this helps us plan things better, the Income Tax Department posted on its official Twitter handle. This time, the time limit has been extended, keeping in mind the corona pandemic and those who are not able to link PAN card to Aadhaar card yet for some reason. Earlier, the deadline was June 30 and there was a provision of a fine of Rs 10,000 for the PAN card holder who did not provide the link. The Indian equity market ended strong for the fourth straight session on Monday as BSE Sensex posted a massive gain of 465.86 points at 36,487.28, following gains in realty, metal, auto, energy and capital goods stock amid positive global cues. The Nifty of National Stock Exchange too rose by 156.30 points to 10,763.65. The Nifty registered day high and low at 10,811.40 and 10,695.10 points respectively. The market remained in green throughout the day as it opened on strong note at 36,313.46, up by 292 points. It spurted nearly 640 points to 36,661.66, day high before closing at 36,487.28, up by 465.86 points from previous close. The indices include realty, metal, auto, energy and capital goods stock advanced. That is all for today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.